Welcome to the tutorial on plotting dataset from a file in Gnuplot. In this tutorial, we will learn to plot XY graph from a dataset in a file, write the legend title, set symbol, style and size, add two datasets in the plot, change axis format to log scale, change the line color, format the label style to scientific notation, format the border line, and add timestamp. To record this tutorial, I am using Debian Linux 9.3, Gnuplot 5.2.6, and gedit 3.22.0. To follow this tutorial, learner must be familiar with high school mathematics. For prerequisite Gnuplot tutorials, please visit this site. Go to desktop. We will plot a graph using the data in a text file named data.txt. The file is provided in the code files link of this tutorial. I have downloaded and saved the file on desktop. Double-click on the file icon to open and view the file. The file opens in gedit text editor for me. The data has three columns. The first row consists of headings and starts with a hash. The first column contains x-axis data. Second and third columns are two sets of y data. Close the data file by clicking on the X button. Press Ctrl, Alt and T keys together on keyboard to open the terminal. The terminal opens. Change directory to desktop directory as seen on the screen. Type Gnuplot at the command prompt and press Enter to open Gnuplot. I will clear the screen. First, let's make a plot from X and Y1 data columns. Enter command as seen on the screen. Here we have also added the legend text in the same command line. Next, let's make the symbol size larger. To set the symbol point size, enter command set space point size space 1.5. Enter the command replot to see the updated graph. Now let's plot both y1 and y2 data on the graph together. For this purpose, use the plot command as above in series separated by a comma. The command is shown on the screen. Next, let's set y-axis to logarithmic scale. Use the command set space log scale space y to set log scale. Replot to see the result. The exponential data looks as a linear line due to the logarithmic scale. To go back to linear scale for y-axis, use command unset space log scale space y. Please replot to see the resulting change. Next, let's connect the data points for X and Y2 dataset using a line. The command is shown on the screen. Add with lines points command to add a line in the graph. Let's change symbols to larger filled circles and color them blue. Enter the command as seen on the screen. This command changes color, point style and line style. Here LC sets the line color to blue. We can also use hexadecimal code for the chosen color. LW2 sets line width to 2. PT7 sets point type or symbol style to 7, which is a filled circle. PS 1.5 sets point size or symbol size to 1.5. Notice the changes in the graph as specified in the command. We may wish to change the format for axis labels on many occasions. Here the y-axis numbers have large values. We may want to use scientific notation to represent the large numbers. I will use set format command for this purpose. Type set space format followed by axis name. Here it is y. Follow it by space and within single quotes %sign 0.2e. Enter the command replot to see the updated graph. I will clear the screen. We can also change the color of the border and the line width. Use the commands as shown here to change the border line color to red. I am also changing the line width to 2 here. Please replot to see the resulting change. Type set space timestamp to add timestamp to the graph. Please replot to see the resulting change. Notice that timestamp for the plot is displayed in the bottom of the plot. To quit Gnuplot, enter command Q or type quit at the Gnuplot prompt. To summarize, in this tutorial, we plotted data from a file, wrote the legend title, changed the symbol style and size, added 2 datasets in the plot, formatted the axis type, changed the line color, formatted the label style to scientific notation, changed the border line color, and learned to set timestamp. For assignment activity, please do the following. Type test in Gnuplot prompt to see terminal capability. From the graphics window, choose different line style, symbol style and color. Plot the graph with the chosen styles using data.txt file. Introduce a line break in the data file between 4th and 5th line. This will give an empty row in the data file and save the file. Plot the data with lines, points, style. Observe the line break in the plot at the empty row. The completed assignment looks similar to this. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. We conduct workshops using spoken tutorials and give certificates. Please write to us. Please post your timed queries in the forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT, MHRD, Government of India. This is Rani from IIT Bombay. Thank you for joining.